Hey there folks, I'm Denny Brown and welcome to Golden Rule, your trusted source for all things HVAC. Today we've got something special to talk about, the R951T Line Classic Series gas furnace. It's more than just a furnace, it's your ticket to a cozy and efficient home. Let's dive right into it. Here are the key features that make this furnace stand out. First up, we've got peace of mind performance. With a 10-year conditional parts warranty, you can rest easy knowing your investment is well protected. And don't forget about efficient comfort. Thanks to the constant torque ECM motor and single stage operation, your home will be comfortably heated without breaking the bank. Speaking of efficiency, this furnace proudly flaunts a 95% annual fuel utilization efficiency rating. That's the efficiency you want to see in your home heating system. Now, you might wonder, is this furnace right for my home? Well, it's perfect for homeowners who plan to live in their home for 8 to 10 years or more. It's a reliable and cost-effective choice for the long haul. Last but not least, let's talk about the installation cost. You're looking at a range of between $6,000 and $8,000, which is a solid investment for the comfort and efficiency this furnace brings to your home. So there you have it folks, the R951T Line Classic Series gas furnace. If you want peace of mind, exceptional energy efficiency savings, and an efficient comfort, this furnace is the way to go. Don't wait, contact Golden Rule today to learn more and prepare to cozy up in your home this winter. Remember, at Golden Rule, we're not just heating and cooling experts, we're your neighbors and we treat your home like it's our own. Thanks for watching and stay warm.